Hi guys, it is DGJ today again. I want to talk about another exciting project. It's a real world assets project. As you can see, its name is QUANT. You probably heard about it before because it was pretty known a while ago, and then kind of faded to the background. Not because it wasn't doing anything, just because nobody was talking about it. It's an ERC20 token, so it's Ethereum based. So this basically provides great security, maybe not so great pricing, but it depends really how the token is used. So as I said, it's a real world assets project. It deals with a lot of high level financial, banking, government stuff. It's backed by the big boys and deals with the big boys. And I will go to the token itself, but first let's have a quick look at its website. So it's basically doing all kinds of high-level stuff related, as I said, to banking and governments. It's programmable payments for mainstream banking. So I have to click that, yeah. And the most notable project right now, which they're working on, that at least in my view, is he's working on digital pound for the United Kingdom. It's working with the UK government to build basically CBDC. Also is building an overledger. It's working. Its partner is what's called Oracle. So that's the name you will know. Basically, very serious project. In short. Now let's go back to this. I just open a full window of cryptocurrencies here. Now, so current price $167. It broke from the resistance level of 100. So 100 was long-term. I'll show you this in a moment. Long-term resistance level, and it broke to that. As you can see, it's not stopping. And I would say it's like a runaway train. So if you were thinking about buying something like that, there won't be better time. I'm not saying this is the best, because the best was probably buy it below 100, but so it's like a 60% up. But because people were not talking about it, and they actually stopped posting on Twitter and moved to Blue Sky, which annoyed people kind of. So people were like kind of, we won't be buying that. But then something broke, and people actually started flocking into that project, and price is just going up and up. Now, what's the potential for this project? We have only 14 millions of them. Current market cap is 2 billion, which is not that high. Because if we go to the currency list, cryptocurrency list, Bitcoin is about 2 trillion, sorry. Ethereum is 400 something billion. XRP is 143 billion. Solana 115. BNB 100. So this project is at 2 billions. So potential 100x surpassing XRP. I'm not saying that that's what will happen. I'm saying that's a potential. So even if we scale down to 50, it would be on the level of BNB. Okay, let's scale down even more. Let's make it 30x. So it would be 60 billion, which is Dogecoin. Now clearly that level of project can be above or close to Dogecoin. Cardano is 42 billion. So you could say a QUANT could be 20 times current price. Again, it's not a financial advice. I'm just saying about probabilities, what I think. So it is a type of project which would be somehow related to XRP, to Stellar, to Hedera, Algorand, and other projects like that. It will be on that level. Let's go back here. So that's a potential. It did quite a nice move. So 100 was a long-term resistance, which you will see in a moment once I move to 1 year. And now you can see even, and it was a huge dip. That's where people forgot about QUANT. And then it took off like crazy. Literally was going from that level. So whoever bought it there is 2.5x now or so. But if we go to all-time chart, you can see that $100 is a long-term resistance. Long-term resistance. And this was basically, it went through that like through butter. And then went above those other resistance levels here. No, sorry, I have to switch to that because this is a little bit better. And so again, if we go to somewhere around 100, as you can see, that's exactly that level here. So next level would be somewhere here, which is 140. We went through that like through butter again. Now we are working around 170, 169. So this is this resistance level here. After that, I would say once we pass that, we go to past 200 here, and we cross that. The next stop maybe 290, so 300, around 300. So once we pass 200, next stop is 300, and after that is 400 something, which was the all-time high. And this is extremely likely in this bull run. So around 170 currently, this would mean 2x, more than 2x to go to all-time high. And with all-time high, so 2x is 4 billion. So from all-time high, you could go, let's say, to level of Cardano, which is 40 billion. It's 10x. So I would say 20x is very pretty much possible. Again, not a financial advice. Not sure if it is going to happen, but it is a very good, very solid project. At least that's what it seems to be. and just people started to talk about it again and started to buy it again, and that thing is moving. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was useful for you. Please share, like and subscribe, and see you again at another one.